Hey guys, what's happening? If you want to know the essential keyboard shortcuts for faster browsing in 2025, here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, type essential keyboard shortcuts for Google Chrome or any other browser that you use, right? So as you can see right here, you're going to see the Windows in Linux, right? So you're going to be able to see Control and open a new window, Control Shift and open new window in incognito mode. And you have Control T, open a new tab and jump to it. Control Shift T, reopen previously closed tabs in order in the order where they closed. Control Tab or Control PGDN, jump to the next open tab, and you have Control Shift Tab or Control plus PG up, jump to the previous open tab. You have Control +1 through Control +8, jump to a specific tab. You have Control +9, jump to the rightmost tab. You have Alt plus Home, open in your home page in the current tab. So you have more control secrets for faster browsing in Google Chrome, whatever browser that you use. Here you could just type keyboard shortcuts for faster browsing and go to the official website of Google, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see tab in Windows shortcuts. Okay, so basically that's it, right? And if you want to know Google Chrome feature shortcuts, you're gonna be able right here to find it, right? Alt plus F or Alt plus E, open the Chrome menu. Okay, so you have for each section you're gonna have their own control. They have their own control or keyboard shortcut. So that's one of the comments of this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.